This is a 2013 Ford Taurus SHO. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, dual power seats, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.